Hello, thank you guys for coming back to another Kira Cash Checker Credit review. Today's cash tip for you guys, I have a one pot chicken taco soup. It is to die for, I promise you. So good. So this is what you need. You need 2 chicken breasts. You're going to cut those up to your liking, and later on as they cook throughout the process, they're going to kind of like fall apart, get all tender, yummy. You need 6 cups of water, 1 small onion, a can of diced tomatoes, 1 can of tomato soup, 1 stick of softened Philadelphia cream cheese, and I use the full fat one. 1 drained can of black beans, a half a pack of taco seasoning, 1 cup of salsa. And you guys, let me back up to the diced tomatoes. Don't drain your can of diced tomatoes. You need that. The only thing that you're going to drain is your can of black beans. Some people like to wash theirs off. I don't. Okay. So once everything is cooked, your toppings that you're going to want to use, you must use shredded cheese. And then the rest of everything else is optional. Sour cream, tortilla strips, or even you can use the little Frito chili cheese chips if you like. You can make your homemade tortilla strips in the oven if you just pop yours in the oven with a little extra virgin olive oil. You can use some cilantro, and then also green onions are amazing on this. If you don't do anything else, I highly recommend adding shredded cheese, sour cream, and cilantro to the top, and of course some sort of tortilla strips to give you that crunch. Okay, so how do we cook this? So to make this easy, the easiest for me, a quick meal, like I said, I cut up the chicken breasts, and then I saute them with the diced onion, the 1 small diced onion in my 1 pot, you guys, 1 pot meal. I saute that up, let it get a little bit brown, and then that's when I add in my 6 cups of water. Let that chicken boil until it's all the way cooked, and then you go ahead and add the remaining ingredients except for the stick of softened Philadelphia cream cheese. Don't add that until the very end when you're ready to about plate everything up and those black beans have gotten a little tender. You add that Philadelphia cream cheese and you want to pull that heat down to low. Reason being is that you don't want your cream cheese to curdle. That's going to be a disgusting meal. Don't say I didn't tell you. Yes, your cream cheese will curdle, so you don't want that. Otherwise, it's a really good meal. So I filled a glass with ice. I added a half I cut up a lemon in half and squeezed that fresh lemon juice, and then I poured over the Chi-Chi's peach margarita, and you also will see that I like to be a little extra, so I garnished that with some raspberries that were frozen, strawberries, and I think one peach down in there, and it was delicious. That's the drink to match.